Hey guys, it's your girl Anna and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be doing for you my famous rum punch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Watch the ads. Do have yourself a Merry Christmas. So this is a Jamaican favorite, and to begin we're going to cut some limes, and I'm using the riper limes because of the flavor that I want. Also to this we have some orange juice, some pineapple juice, some fruit punch, some strawberry syrup, Kulu Kulu rum and some corn syrup. So I'm just squeezing the limes, and I used about 2 dozen limes, so 24 limes to be exact, but this is just to make the quantity that I want to serve about 8 to 10 people. So you can just squeeze the limes with your hands, or you can use lemon if you wish. Some people tend to use lime juice, but I don't like to use the processed stuff. So we're also going to use some white rum and some Appleton. You can use whichever dark alcohol you wish, but I'm using Appleton because that's what I have. So the hardest part of this recipe is to squeeze the limes, and if you're not using the limes, then the entire recipe will be easy for you. So there we get 1 complete glass of lime juice. We are now going to start to put the juice together, the punch together. So firstly I added the lime juice. Now I'm adding the orange juice. Then I'm going to add the strawberry syrup. I'm going to add the simple syrup, which is also the corn syrup, some fruit juice, some pineapple juice, and lastly some Kulu Kulu from what I have in the cup. Now we're going to add some white rum, and then we're going to add some Appleton. I'm using the Appleton for the dark rum. People, if you are Jamaican and you don't add Kulu Kulu to this, something is wrong with you. So now we're adding the lime slices, and you can eliminate this, but I find it gives it a better flavor. I'm also going to add some tangerine, and I'm going to add some orange slices as well. So what I'm doing is cleaning the tangerine, and I'm going to show you the techniques that I use to add it to the punch. I'm not going to add it all. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a knife to cut the stem of it and just open the tangerine. So you see the little buds on it. You get more flavor when you open it. If you don't want to waste the time, if you're going to call it a waste of time, it's up to you, but for flavor preference, it is best to open the tangerine. You can also use other fruits different from the ones I've used. You can use some cherries, some berries, some strawberries. Well, strawberries are berries. You can use just about any fruits you want. Add your favorite fruits to it. I see where people add banana. I'm not a fan of banana like that, but it's really up to you. You can use cane sugar instead of the simple sugar, cane syrup instead of the simple sugar. Now I'm just slicing the orange, and this is a very sweet orange. I don't know if it matters if you use the sweet orange or the sour orange, but I'm telling you, this orange is really sweet. So I'm just adding the remaining of the fruits to the punch, and once I've completed that, I'm just going to give it a stir. People, the rum kick me in my face. The little Kulu Kulu rum I use, it kick me in my face, people. So ensure you add your Kulu Kulu rum. Look at this. This is fruity, this is tropical, and this is full of rum. This is a creeper drinks, people, so take your time when you're drinking. Look at that. Look at that. You can add ice if you want, or you can just put it to chill. You guys can come over for a glass of this. Do have yourself a Merry Christmas when it comes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Watch the ads. Until next time, it's your girl Anna.